Not being able to sell your house is extremely frustrating. I get it. And it feels like you're stuck. Well, the good news is you're not stuck, but you most likely need a fresh start. Hi, I'm Spencer Sue with eXp Realty, and on this video, I'm going to walk you through what to do when your house refuses to sell. The good news is that if you find yourself in this position, there is a cure. The cure is what I call correctly positioning your house for sale. Most people, and even real estate agents, don't do this when selling your home. And that's most likely the reason you are in this situation to begin with. First off, this is not the end of the world, and your property is sellable. However, not selling usually comes down to two things. It's priced too high and or a lack of marketing. Regardless of what the reasoning is, the first thing you need to do is start over and pretend like you never listed it in the first place. The very first thing you need to do is immediately take the property off the market for at least a couple of weeks. Chances are that your home accumulated some market time, and keeping it on the market the way that it is currently positioned is what you absolutely need to change up. The main reasoning for this is that you need a fresh start before you release it for sale. Believe it or not, taking it off the market for 1 to 2 weeks will give it the proper breathing time so that when you do list it again, you will be repositioned as a brand new property. Once the property is taken off the market, it needs to be repositioned entirely. This means new photos, new staging, new signage, new video, and possible improvement work like repainting the home or changing the flooring. Everything needs to appear brand new as we prepare it to list, including your agent. During this time is also when you want to rethink your pricing. You do not create the market does, which is why you need to listen to it. Regardless of how good of a negotiator or agent you may have in your corner, they aren't going to force somebody to buy your property way above market price. Ultimately, they will decide if it's worth what you are asking, not you. But my advice is to price it to sell right this time. Once the new price is agreed upon, then it is time to remarket this property and introduce it to the world brand new. The one thing you can control is the urgency, which is why we like to create a lot of buzz for your property right when it's listed. Your property will get the most amount of showings in the first 2 weeks it's listed, which is why you don't only want to price it right, you want to make sure you get a lot of attention and a lot of serious bidders and offers. You will also want to price your property strategically within the price point that generates the most amount of attention. Of course, you'll need a new marketing plan, so make sure this time around your home has someone with an online marketing plan because time is of the essence. People are discovering your home most likely through other agents or consumer portals like a Redfin and a Zillow. You need to show very well there to generate the foot traffic to be able to get an offer. I really hope this video helped you understand what to do if you find yourself with a house that refuses to sell. Listing agents change all the time, so don't feel bad if it happens. I would love to help you if you or anyone you know is in this situation. You can contact me directly through my details below. Thanks for watching Engineering a Better Life Today. Thanks for making it to the very end of my YouTube video. If you like the content, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that little bell as well, since it'll give you notifications of when my next episode is. If you know of anyone that is considering to buy or sell a home here in the Bay Area, I'm never too busy to help more people. Always welcome to have a conversation, regardless if you're ready to go right now or if you wanted to buy 5 years later. Click on that calendar link and then you'll be able to book an appointment with me and love to have a conversation about your situation. In the meantime, I also do have a monthly newsletter, so feel free to hit that link below and then you'll be able to get my updates, personal updates that I write once a month in terms of what is going on with the market and some of my latest activities. Hope to see you at the next one. Thank you.